Mcpe here, and welcome to a new series. This is the Mcpe review series of the major update. So we go for the first major update. It is 0.1.0, but they are not. The 0.1.0 is only for Xperia Play, and this is Android, so using the 0.1.1 that is usable for the Android. So I will talk about the new feature on 0.1.1, then we talk about the 0.1.0 update. First thing first, the new for 0.1.1 is compatible with Android, which is the touch control and everything is used for the Android. The next thing for 0.1.1 new is the auto jump feature for the Android, because I think it's hard to do it on the Android version to jump. Xperia Play just like the Xperia Play just like jump with the jump button on Xperia. But let's just, you're not gonna start the game first, and I'm gonna tell you everything. This was the first GUI for Minecraft Pocket Edition, and you got the option start game, enjoy game. In the top you got Minecraft Pocket Edition logo and the version 0.1.1 J alpha. Let's go to the option. We got the username, which I'm gonna call myself MC, and the multiplayer option is username MC. The server visible by default, so you can, your server, if you're in a Wi-Fi connection, you can join it, and if you turn off that off, you cannot see everyone cannot see your server, but you can see here. The graphic, we got fancy graphic, lower graphic quality. Why it doesn't say fancy graphic quality? I don't know. Lower graphic quality for shorter view distance and disable fancy rendering. I'm using the fancy graphic because in the old time, lower graphic quality is really is recommended, because the Android was not really great this time. So I use fancy graphic. The control is invert y-axis for the X thing. Use touch control. This is black because this is Android, so it will be. But for the Xperia, it 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 can available to do touch control or not. So yes, this is the new feature for 0.1.1. Next feedback is vibrations, like vibration when blocks are destroyed. I don't turn that off because I don't like it. Let's join game. If you have another person, which is unlikely to have 0.1.1 and using a Wi-Fi, and it's using the same Wi-Fi, if you're playing, you can join in the scanning for games. So I join the game. Start game. You can back it like with that button, and you can this to delete war. You know, this for delete more. Like review will be lost. This use create, just create a new world, and you can just do it with a create new world in the end. But the you have a picture of a random thing, and just go in the world. Generate world, saving chunk, and I will show you all the review later on. Okay guys, I come back and I will review this thing now. So we got the talent generator, which is not good and not great. It's like the bell time. And you see, I turn off my fancy graphic because that's make me crashing, and I don't know why it's crashing. My device can handle that, but I don't know why it's crashing. It's still like laggy a lot. You got so more volume than before, and the render distance is not too far, so I cannot see that well. But first thing, we got this. You got the arrow key. The arrow key is really cool. Go forward, back, left, right. You can jump. Then we got this, the inventory. There are only 3 things in the inventory. Just open it, and yeah, you got a selecting block. You can just click down if you already select the block. You can just click by just clicking the block you want. And let's just put that in order. You can just click down when you're done. And I make this thing to the review. First thing, let's review this thing, the ladder. It says the ladder worked like the PC beta before the 1.5. So maybe this is how it works on the PC 1.4, 1.3, and 1.2. But that's it. And we got the torch. Torch have a little animation bar that please show me like that. And the torch like laid out the way. See, let me see. Oh, it's gonna be dark. And no, because there's dark, but if not, it's gonna be very dark. You cannot see anything. But when you put a torch, it's make it lighter. Very interesting. Next, we got this thing. This thing, the oak log, oak wood plank. This is the log, the wood plank, and the wood stair. And what's the difference with the stair and the block? The block first need to make it jump, but with clock edition, get auto jumps. But the stair, you don't need jump, you just go through. Next block we got, and yeah, that is the wood block. And next block is the stone type of thing. It's the stone, cobblestone, and the cobblestone stair. Same like the wood stair, just go right through, and the block doesn't, and you can find it underground. Next you got the invisible block. No, this is the stair, not the stair, a glass, like a glass. You can see through that, right? Like this. Next block we got the diamond block. It's a bright blue color. And we got the iron block, which is everywhere in my review. It's just the white color of the diamond block. We got the gold block, which is like the yellow color of the iron block and diamond block. We got some plants here. We got red mushroom, which is like a Mario mushroom. No, it's just like normal mushroom. Brown mushroom was just like the edible mushroom. Is really good. We got the cyan flower, like blue rose. We got the dandelion flower. Yes, this is a dandelion. Next, we got the leaf. The leaf will spawn on the tree. You can get the leaf from there. The leaf. We got the sandstone and sand. Sandstone is just this cobblestone just combined with the sand and get sandstone like that. And the sand is, it says sand. You can find it under this thing. You can do like that. You can find that sand. Next, we got the thing. We got the stone slab. Stone slab is really cool. You can stack it up. You can do the half block without jumping. You can go, or you can make a stair like this. That's jump. Okay, just like this, like that. This is really cool. You can just stack up like however you like. Next, we got the wall. The wall have many color, and on this thing, I think I got 12 color of wall. Wait. This is not perfect. This is not. You see me building on the camera. Just do this. There. And sorry guys for my lack of not good at reviewing. That's what I do. We got the green wall, pink wall, gray wall, red wall, like blue wall, yellow wall, blue wall, brown wall, green wall, gray wall. No, it's light gray wall. This is cyan wall and the purple wall. It's 12 color wall, I think. And yeah, and the last thing we got here is the sugar cane. Sugar cane only grow when it's near water, and it can only grow on grass. Alright, only can grow on grass. Alright, next thing is some hidden file on this thing, but first hidden file is an unused file for something is the camera. The camera is on the file of this game, but we cannot get it. I don't know, but we cannot get the camera. Next new thing, the unavailable thing on this thing is the water block, which is you cannot get it on anything. You can see any water. You cannot see any water. Next thing is birch and spruce wood. So this is this thing called oak wood log, but there is the the birch wood log and the spruce wood log. If you use a terrain generator, you will see a darker wood of this is named the spruce wood, and you can see the white one of this thing. It's called the birch wood. You cannot get the log if you break it. If you do that, you cannot have any birch wood or spruce wood. Next, in underground, if you dig down below, there are a block named gravel. In this inventory, you cannot see any gravel, and I don't know why. And next block that you're not be getting is in the water there. Yes, on the water, you cannot. There is a block named clay. Let's see if I can find clay here on the water. Let's see, just water quick. Cannot see anything. So just trust on my word. There are named clay. Clay is like a brownish kinda thing. Not brown, grays, like gray sand. Yes, gray sand. It's like that. Yeah. The block, the set clay. You can just search in online and you can find clay. Next, the block that you cannot get is ores. There are ore. There are the redstone ore. There are the diamond ore, like that. You can make the diamond ore, the mineral iron ore, this gold ore. You can find it on the underground. You have coal ore, lapis lazuli ore, and yeah, you can find those ore. Next, that you cannot get is bedrock. Right? You see, what is bedrock? A bed on the road? No, bedrock. If you dig down here and you go to the bottom and you get the block and you get a black block and you cannot break it. You cannot break bedrock. And yeah, you cannot get that on the inventory too. So that's weird. Next block is that is on the game data, but you cannot get it on anything. You cannot get it on the terrain generator. You can get it on every block that I mentioned before. This block is you can get on the terrain generator, but this block cannot. It's a TNT block. TNT block is on the game. It's on the game, but you cannot get the block. So yeah, hopefully that will be fixed on the next update. But that is my review for 0.1.1 update. Yes, 0.1.1 update. And yeah, I will see you guys when the 0.2.0 is I will see you guys when the 0.2.0 is on the game and I have the time to review it. And yeah, so MC YouTuber, oh my, I just left my phone. So MC YouTuber here, peace out, and hope you enjoy this thing.